How to fix Messenger notification sound not working on iOS. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Messenger notification sound not working on your iOS or iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to check whether your iPhone is on Do Not Disturb or not. So simply open the control center and from your you'll have to just check for the your Do Not Disturb mode, and after you come on this interface make sure that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, and after you turn off you'll have to just back from here and from the settings section again make sure that you have not turned on the power saving mode on your iPhone, and after you turn off that you'll have to just check for the silent mode on your iPhone. So if you have turned on the silent mode you'll have to just turn on the ring mode on your iPhone, and after you set it you'll have to just open the application Messenger. Alright, so after you open the Messenger with your account you'll have to tap on menu just at the bottom right corner. Alright, from your tap on settings. Now from your scroll down and go the options like notification and sounds. Alright, so from this section make sure that these features like do not disturb is turned off from your iPhone. So after you turn off it you'll have to just back from here, and from there your problem might be solved now. And if you are still facing that problem you'll have to just open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings you'll have to scroll down and go the option apps, and now from here find the application Messenger. Alright, so after you find it tap on Messenger. Now from here make sure that you have allowed the notification to Messenger. So from here you have to just allow the Messenger app for the notification, and after you allow the Messenger app for the notification you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section again you'll have to go the option like screen time. So simply tap on it, and now from here scroll down and go the options like content and privacy restriction. Alright, so from the section make sure that this feature content and privacy restriction is turned off from your iPhone, and after you turn off it you'll have to just back from here, and after you complete all of the procedure from your iPhone you'll be easily fix that problem like Messenger notification sound not working on your iOS. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.